Hey, good afternoon, Abhishek. So this is not an interview, okay? This is more for
Mm-hmm.
you, and this is
Okay, sir.
a more for I will say mentorship rather, and I would say like it's a career guidance and all. Okay, so just brief me, like just tell me what qualifications you have, what background you have, whether you are working in IT industry or in which
Yes, sir.
field, right? What technology stacks you have and all. So you can give me a and be open, no worries. Only thing is, don't take any of the company name or anything because of the company policy and confidential issues and all. Okay, and you are open to all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay.
So, first of all, sir, thank you so much to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to
Mhm,
you and your audience also. So, sir, basically, I am from Lucknow, and I completed my 3 year diploma after 12th in IT branch. It's
mhm,
Polytechnic.
mhm,
So, I am from a technical background. So, I just completed my diploma in information technology after 12th, and
mhm.
after that, sir, I joined a very reputed institute
Okay, good.
where I completed my M&A course, Master in Network Administration. So it's a bunch of technologies like hardware,
Okay.
Windows 10, Linux, cloud, Server 2016. So it's a bunch of technologies. So
Okay.
I learned from very much from the institute, and after that, COVID is come.
Mm,
सो कोविड आ गया उसके
mm,
बाद में मुझे कहीं जॉब नहीं मिली. सो मैं फिर से बैक टू होम हो गया.
mm,
फिर सर चीज़ें नॉर्मल हुई. आफ्टर दैट
mm,
विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिंक्डइन आई गॉट अ जॉब विद अ कंपनी.
mm,
इट्स अ थर्ड पार्टी पेरोल with HCL,
mm, mm.
and I am working in local IT team with the third party payroll. I am a third party resource for HCL.
Mhm,
So after that, when I'm in Lucknow, I
mm,
joined a shop, like a shop where I support over the hardwares only, like hardware assembling, disassembling, and all, to providing the support to the users, to the like a shop. So where I got the 6 to 8 month experience from there, and
mm,
after that I joined HCL with the third party resource.
mm,
And
mm,
basically, I am working as a desktop support engineer in HCL and my previous organization also.
mhm, mhm,
And I work in HCL to 8 to 10 months.
mm.
And मैंने बहुत सारी नई चीजें सीखी, कैसे इंडस्ट्री में काम होता है, क्या हायरार्की होती है, क्या सारी चीजें होती है, बहुत सारी चीजें
Mm.
सीखी. लेकिन एक मन में वो था ना सर कि क्या होगा मतलब व्हाट नेक्स्ट. और सर चीजें तो बड़ी अच्छी थी, चीजें बहुत अच्छी जा रही थी, बट
Mm,
सर पे आउट और लोगों से मिलना,
mm,
लोगों से सीखना. सो
mm.
सर लोगों को सारी चीजों का शौक होता है, खाने का, पीने का, ऐसा मेरा साथ पढ़ने का शौक है बहुत ज्यादा, और चीजों को आगे
Very good.
बढ़ने का शौक है.
Very good.
और तो सर हमारे फादर साहब भी ऐसे ही हैं. घर
Mm.
का हमारे सर बैकग्राउंड, मैं बहुत ही नॉर्मल सर मिडिल क्लास घर से आता हूँ.
ठीक है,
और
ठीक. हाँ,
तो उसके बाद सर फिर जब मैंने एचसीएल में जॉब स्टार्ट करी तो मैं नोएडा आ गया सर, नोएडा मूव हो गया. फिर
हम्म,
यहाँ मैंने 8 से 10 महीने काम किया.
हम्म,
सर काम के मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे कुछ नया करना चाहिए. और सर मैंने जब मैं जेटकिंग में था तो मुझे प्रॉपर टाइम मिला था 2 ईयर का.
हम्म, हम्म,
और फिर सर मैंने बेसिक टू एडवांस लेवल में हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग में बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई करी थी, बहुत ही
हम्म,
अच्छी.
हम्म, हम्म,
मतलब ये समझिए कि खुद से हैंड्स ऑन ओवर द सर्वर 2016, एडीडीएस, डीएनएस, डीएससीपी, डब्ल्यूडीएस,
हम्म,
डब्ल्यूएसयूएस, बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम करी थी.
हम्म,
लिनक्स सर मैंने आरएससीएसए का सर्टिफिकेशन भी मैंने प्रिपरेशन करी थी, और
हम्म,
मुझे उस पे बहुत ही अच्छा कमांड था, बट ड्यू टू सम इश्यूज मैं उसे भी कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाया था.
हम्म,
उसके बाद में सर इतना सब पढ़ के भी मुझे जॉब मिली डेस्कटॉप सपोर्ट वाली, और मैं करते करते सर उसे बोर हो गया. बोर होते होते से फिर सर मैंने उसे लीव कर दिया. फिर मैंने एक नेक्स्ट कंपनी ज्वाइन करी.
हम्म.
फॉर पे आउट अच्छा था सर. और बट ऑन सेम,
थर्ड पार्टी पेरोल.
नो नो सर, ऑन सेम, ऑन कंपनी
ओके.
पेरोल.
FTP,
बट
full time employee. Okay.
करेक्ट सर.
हम्म,
बट एवरीथिंग इज सेम.
Hmm.
down from HCL. Actually, HCL is a rules and responsibility and policies, compliance.
Hmm.
That's the
Hmm.
thing.
Hmm.
HCL is a standard. MNC is a standard
Hmm.
ticketing tool and all. So what about the support? What is the survey desk? What is the ITFO, local ITFO? I know very well.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
after HCL, I joined US Healthcare.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it's a normal India branch. So we're
Hmm.
just 400 headcount. So I
Hmm.
support over the same,
Hmm.
and the roles and responsibility are same.
Hmm.
नो नथिंग, कुछ भी सीखने को नया नहीं मिल रहा था कुछ भी। तो मैंने वहां पे 1 से 1.5 साल, लगभग 1 साल 7-8 महीने जॉब करी। पे आउट भी अच्छा मिल रहा था, लेकिन सर वो मुझे अच्छा कुछ लग नहीं रहा था, तो मैंने उसे भी लीव कर दी। और क्योंकि सर सर्वर भी आ रहा था, सारी चीजें आ रही थी, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा हुई कि नाइट डे करके मैं सारा भूल गया।
Okay.
कॉन्फिडेंस कॉन्फिडेंस
24
मेरा
into
लेवल।
7 support you are giving. Okay.
करेक्ट सर। और सर मैं सारा भूल गया, मतलब जो भी मैंने पढ़ा हुआ था। सर मैं एक चीज यहाँ पे मिस कर गया आपको बताना, कि जब मैं एचसीएल में था ना, तब मैंने क्लाउड और डेवऑप्स का एक कोर्स ले लिया एक इंस्टीट्यूट से।
Okay.
मैंने
Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा नाम सुना था सर, और पढ़ने में भी थोड़ा अच्छा तो नहीं कहूंगा, लेकिन ठीक ही हूँ सर। तो इसकी वजह से मैं सोचा चलो इसका बूम है आईटी में, चलो ले लेता हूँ। तो सर वो भी पढ़ा। तो उसमें सर मैंने लिनक्स तो पहले से आता था मुझे, डॉकर भी पढ़ा, डॉकर इमेज क्रिएशन, डॉकर फाइल, कुबरनेटीज पढ़ा था। कुबरनेटीज मुझे कुछ खास समझ में नहीं आया था, तो मैंने उसे थोड़ा उसमें नहीं लिखा। उसके बाद में एनसीबल, फिर थोड़ा सा टेराफॉर्म, मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ पढ़ा था, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट कुछ भी नहीं पता था, थोड़ा थोड़ा सारी चीजें पता थी। फिर एडब्ल्यूएस भी पढ़ा था सर मैंने,
Hmm. Hmm.
सारी चीजें पढ़ा। लेकिन सर उसका कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला, मुझे कोई जॉब भी नहीं मिली। तो सर थोड़ा सा डिमोटिवेट हो गया, और यही सर आके जॉब करने लगा दूसरी वाली
Hmm.
कंपनी में जो बताया था, यूएस हेल्थ केयर वाली।
Hmm.
फिर यहाँ पे सर जॉब छोड़ दिया मैंने। अभी सर नॉट वर्किंग हूँ,
Hmm.
और जॉब खोज रहा हूँ। और फिर आपसे मुलाकात हो गई, तो
Okay.
मैं सोचा सर एक बार आपसे कनेक्ट करता हूँ।
Okay. 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 Few things I'll ask Abhishek to you. So
यस
the
सर।
first thing is that I wanted to know your area of interest exactly, because what I understand from you, you have done a lot of things within these years. You have been trying so many things within these years, but your focus is shifting from here and here and here. Okay. So it's, I don't think so you have any problem after listening to you. But only thing I just wanted to know from your side, think twice, thrice, and even you can take time even after this one to one also, and let me know. And if you wanted to tell now also, tell me that what is your area of interest. Okay, why I am asking this one? So the first thing is that we need to identify ourselves, what I am good at. Okay, so what is good outside, we no need to think about that, because outside there are so many things. Somebody will come and they'll say, I'll teach you chat gpt with AI. Somebody still tell you like DevOps is, you have to learn DevOps and you are going to get this much of salary. But at ground level, I'm telling you very honestly, we need to think how. Because see, what others are telling, it doesn't matter. What I can do, it matters. Okay, so you need to tell me exactly what is your interest first, where you want to
सर
go.
सर टू बी ऑनेस्ट,
Mm,
मैं आज जिस भी लेवल पे हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, टू बी फ्रैंक,
mm,
नो डाउट सर। सर मुझे खुद नहीं मालूम कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट क्या है, मुझे जो मिल जाता है। सर अभी मैं रिसेंट की बात बताता हूँ, किसी ने मुझसे बोला अजयोर पढ़ लो जॉब मिल जाएगी तुम्हें अच्छी खासी। मैं बोला ओके ठीक है। मैंने सर अजयोर भी पढ़ा, सर्टिफिकेशन भी 104 का कर लिया। उसके बाद भी सर मुझे उसमें मैंने डंप्स लगा के और ऐसे सारी चीजें करा के, मतलब कुल मिला के एग्जाम पास कर लिया। बट सर बहुत अच्छी से मतलब बता सकता हूँ, मैं पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मैंने उसमें हार्ड लेवल पे नहीं, अज़योर एडी पढ़ा, जो इंट्रा आईडी है सर वो पढ़ा था अच्छे से, क्योंकि वही हमारे यहाँ था। और सर्वर सर्वर पे जो भी डिप्लॉयमेंट था, कि सर्वर डिप्लॉयमेंट कैसे होता है, वीएम डिप्लॉयमेंट कैसे होता है, वीनेट कैसे डिप्लॉय किया जाता है, ये सारी सिर्फ हैंड्स ऑन किया था मैंने। बाकी
mm,
डंप्स
mm,
लगाए थे,
mm,
बहुत सारा लगाए थे, उसी में सर हो गया मेरा, मैंने एग्जाम पास कर लिया था।
mm, mm.
तो सर एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे खुद भी नहीं मालूम कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट क्या है। सर मेरा इंटरेस्ट सिर्फ पैसा है, सही बता रहा हूँ मैं। मतलब मेरा इंटरेस्ट सिर्फ
Uh,
पैसा है। और क्योंकि सर टू बी ऑनेस्ट सबका ही इंटरेस्ट पैसा होता है, लेकिन लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरा ये नहीं, मेरा ये करने का इच्छा, तो सर मेरा ऐसा कुछ करने का इच्छा नहीं है, मेरा इंटरेस्ट सिर्फ पैसा है सर। तो
ओके।
इसीलिए मैं आपसे भी कनेक्ट हुआ हूँ कि सर मुझे थोड़ा सा एक गाइड दे दो आप, कि मतलब
हम्म।
जैसे सर कोई मेंटर होता है तो ये बता देता है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है, तो मेरे सराउंडिंग में सिर्फ सर कोई ऐसा है नहीं कि मुझे ये बता सके क्या है। तो हमारे फादर साहब ने मुझे ज्वाइन करवाया हुआ था,
हम्म।
जब इंस्टीट्यूट मैंने ज्वाइन किया हुआ था आफ्टर डिप्लोमा, तो उन्होंने सर्च किया था, तो उन्होंने ही मुझे मतलब वहाँ पे एडमिशन दिलाया था।
हम्म।
उसके बाद सर मैंने जॉब वॉब तो खुद ही से करी थी वो सारी चीज़ें। तो अभी भी सर ऐसा कुछ हेल्पिंग चैनल में कुछ है नहीं कि, तो मैं सर आपसे ही जानना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब किस उस पे जाऊँ सर। मेरा जो मेन टारगेट है वो डोमेन चेंज करना है, प्रोफाइल चेंज करना है बेसिकली। और सर सपोर्ट में तो आई थिंक ये है भी नहीं कि थोड़ा सा वैसा है।
Okay, okay. So, first thing is that I would say, like Abhishek, your focus is shifting according to me, okay? And you need to start focusing. That is the, I'll tell you, because I am not just simply, I'll tell you, no, you go and do the DevOps, you go and do the cloud or something like that. On the basis of whatever you have told me, these many things, right? So, according to that, I am going to suggest you, okay? But before that, you need to promise me one thing, okay? If I'll tell you no, Abhishek, you need to go in this path. 100%, Abhishek, you are going to get a output out of it, okay? And the main reason is that one, because see, when we shift our focus into a multiple directions, okay, we are not going to end up anywhere. That is the truth. एंड व्हाई इट इज ट्रूथ आई टेल यू एग्जांपल आपने सुना है क्या कि करत करत अभ्यास जन्मति होत सुजाने रसरी आवत जात है
करेक्ट
सिल
सर,
पर पड़त निशान है ठीक है
बहुत निशान है, यस सर।
right so I'll give you my own example. I'll When I started my career I had so many options, okay? At that time my father was no more, right? I lost my father and I was doing why I'm telling you this story because you'll get an complete idea that how we need to focus, okay, things, right? So I was doing PLSQL, okay? So I was just thinking that okay, the same what situation you are into, I was into the same situation. I need to get a job. I need money. That's it. I don't want anything. I need money to for the survival of my life. Okay. So what I've done is somebody told me, okay, you go and do this 6 months of course. Okay. From there was in I was in Nagpur. Okay. From my college, I got placed. I got placed in a 2 BHK company. Okay. And from there those guys are rather than giving me salary they are telling okay that we should give them some amount or something like that. So no, it's not going to work out. Then there only peoples are telling okay, you do PLSQL, I'll of 6 months of training and then I'll give you job. Okay, I started doing that one because why I was doing that one, because my I was not thinking that what is important, what is the main goal. Okay, the goal is to learn something. My focus is towards the money. Money is nothing, Abhishek. Okay, why I'm telling that is just a byproduct. Okay, byproduct. When you stop, when we you directly start thinking of the byproduct, na, you are not going to reach anywhere. You take an example of any of the uh, like celebrity or anyone, okay, who first this their focus is on their craft, on their what they know, their focus is what they know and they are focusing on that one. And once you obviously when you are almost experienced or expert in your craft, money is a byproduct of that one. 100% money is going to come to you. Same way I did it. Okay, I did 6 months of PLSQL training. Those guys told me they are going to give job in their company. That didn't happen, Abhishek. After that, I was doing some kind of PHP and something like development. I was also okay. Why I was doing? I thought okay, I'll start doing that website building and all, so I'll get money. Okay,
यस सर, यस
immediately after that, from there, why I'm telling you this thing, so you'll get an idea how my journey moves. I moved from there to Hyderabad, okay, from Nagpur. One of my friend told, okay, he was keep telling me, Abhishek, please come to Bangalore at that time that you are a good student in your college. We all know about you, but why you are spending your time, effort, and money in that place where you are not getting enough resources? Okay, and you should focus on that one. So I moved from there to Hyderabad because one of my friend told me, Abhishek, please come here. I'll arrange interviews for you. Okay, you'll give the interview and you'll get the money. I know some peoples or some of the guys who is having company and they'll give you job in that company. Honestly, Abhishek, I'm telling you, nothing works out. Again, I came back to Bangalore. That friend, when he suggested me, he said, okay, you go and do Java. Still, I am
Okay, sir.
listening to others. Just think of it. Still, I am listening to others. I am not
Others.
listening to myself that what I wanted to do. This is that reason, Abhishek, I told you what is your area of interest. Okay. And then finally, I went for Java classes also. Okay. There are in Bangalore, there are very good Java classes. Even there are institute who will give you the testing classes and all. Everything was available. I wasted time there, and finally, like I was staying in a lodge, okay, and every day, like morning, me and I would say like almost 50 candidates, okay, every day will go for a walking kind of a thing, okay, to somehow, because still I was there, that I why my intention, see, our intention is always towards the बाई प्रोडक्ट दैट वी करते कहते
Correct,
हैं
sir.
ना, हम लोग फल की अपेक्षा करते हैं, लेकिन फल की कब अपेक्षा करोगे? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू इम्प्लांट अ सीड, ओके, फर्स्ट you need to
Yes, sir.
build that plant, then only from that
Yes, sir.
plant fruits will come, and that fruits you no need to do anything, ultimately it will be for you only. Okay, so आप जब सोचो फिर वहां पे भी जब देन फाइनली आई रियलाइज what is my area of interest. Okay, then I somehow I look back at my college life and then I realize, okay, no, I remember that I was good in operating system. Okay, and I felt out of those things. Okay, sometimes we need to grill our mind and think that no, we need to find something which I am passionate about. Okay, so I was passionate about operating system. Okay, so I did not think where I'll go. Just think now I am at a position where I am managing, I am the manager of the DevOps team. Okay, did I, where the people will, a developer is also coming, a QA is also coming, or from a application background, everybody is trying to come into this
Come to.
DevOps field. But I never thought,
Correct, sir.
what my thought was there at that time is I started with a point. Okay, no, this is my point. I want to stick with operating system, so I started learning operating system, Abhishek. Even you will not believe, I don't know about Linux. Okay, I just wanted to learn operating system, and from operating system, because Unix is also operating system, Linux is also a operating system, right? Windows is also a operating system. There could be, but my focus is slowly, God has given me a path. No, you have started with something, so you will stick with Linux. Then I started learning. I put my whole effort. You'll in my live classes also, I told so many times. Okay, I have almost given 12 hours, 13 hours, more than that, Abhishek. Okay, I used to not sleep also, like regular. It's approx like 2 3 hours, 4 hours, something like that. Then finally Linux I learn, and from there the journey starts for me. Somehow, okay, I got a job as a operation engineer trainee. That is what I told, right? It's basically a application support job, and now I am sitting at a place where I am doing the automation for the environment. I am
Correct,
just
sir.
architect of a cloud architect. I see things from where it started. Okay, so focus from there. Now what you told that you wanted to learn, that is one of the good thing for you. You wanted to learn new things. Okay, because if you stop learning, okay, then we are stopping ourselves. Okay, but the thing is that what I understand is you need to start from somewhere. So my suggestion is, Abhishek, by looking at these many, one more question I am going to ask you. You tell me on paper how many years of experience you have. Just forgot about the desktop or anything. I wanted to know, because when you are going for the appear for the interview, you should tell that this is your genuine experience on paper. Tell me how many years of experience you have.
Sir, right now about 2.9 year of experience.
Okay, so you have the offer letter, you have the relieving letter, you have everything with you,
Correct, sir.
the pay slip and everything.
Everything.
Okay, fine. Now listen to me. Because you have worked, obviously, you have worked in Linux. You have worked, I would say, not much into Linux, because this is basically a desktop support job you are doing. Even though I have worked as a HCL employee, as a full-time employee. Okay, so your target is first of all to get a FTE job, like full-time employment. Okay, one of from one of the company, and your target should be the start with Linux, because I'm not telling you you should directly jump into DevOps. Okay, the same thing I should not tell, because it's like just try to understand. I don't want it to push you directly in the C, where right you will not get an idea where to go and how to do it. Okay, you need to start from somewhere. Okay, so that is your starting point. It's basically a Linux administration plus automation, because you have a good understanding of troubleshooting, according to me, right?
Correct, sir.
Because you learn like when the tickets will come to those users and all who were facing issue,
Yes, sir.
what issues they were facing. Obviously it is related to their login issue, their installation, some of the softwares are not working, they'll raise tickets and
Correct,
all,
sir.
and you have to resolve. So ultimately you have built a quality of troubleshooting, correct? So now I want to use your troubleshooting skills, which is missing these days, Abhishek. Okay, nobody is caring about that one, but ultimately 99, I would say more than that, like almost 99% of the job is in India. It's basically whether you are a developer also, whether you are a tester also, whether you are in operations, or whether you storage guy or a network guy, everybody is doing a support job only. Don't worry about that one. Development work is less, yes it is there, but most of the, like, even the developer has to either work on a features or a defect or something like that, or being a DevOps engineer I need to work on some migration. Basically it's a support only, or production supports we are doing, like, correct? So for you it's better you should start with Linux administration. If you want to join my live classes, it's going to start soon. Okay, that is totally up to you. But since I know you have wasted so much of money joining those institute and all,
So much,
so
so much, so much, sir.
okay, no worries, Abhishek. You see, I have enough content in my channel, okay, and those I don't want your single penny to be wasted. Please go through that one. I have 100 plus Linux interview question and answer also. That is more than enough, and I can challenge on that anyone who is learning from those 100 plus in honestly, with honestly, okay, they are going to get the job. And the reason is not only for your experience, it's going for more than 5, 8, or 9 years of experience guy also. Even for a fresher also question is there. It's a mixed questions are there. So first you got the questions. Now the second thing, you see those mock interviews, how I am taking, how to give mock interviews and all, those are also there. Now the third thing is all about the Linux complete course. So IT,
Correct, sir.
100 days of IT corporate boot camp, I have uploaded those courses, started uploaded. Those are the latest with the RHEL 9. You can go through that one. That is not still uploaded, because those are basically live classes, but there is already a playlist where I have explained complete Linux, that is corporate Linux. You can go through that one. Shell scripting also I have uploaded. It's almost 2 topics are left. Okay. After that, it's almost done, whichever is required. So you have a complete package of Linux to get a job, and you are ready. It's only thing is that now my request is please focus on that one. And soon as slowly, that is what, I don't take things immediately for someone. No, I'll not say, Abhishek, please go ahead and just fly with a fighter or something, right? You have to right. I'm not going to give you that immediately. So I'll tell you, no, Abhishek, first you need to be in the ground level. First try to, this is the biggest hurdle. Okay, so once you cross this hurdle, okay, main basically I would say, even for a developer also they are facing issue when they are getting to DevOps job. Okay, why? Because they don't know about their platform, they don't know about how Linux commands. It's not only commands, Linux is way beyond that one. I have explained so many things. You can go through the channel, you will come to know. Okay, so first you need to cross that hurdle, and later on, like, things will be cakewalk for you. Why? Because that is not a hurdle. Main thing is this only, your foundation. Once you build your foundation, you are done. Now the next thing is your cloud. Because why cloud is important? We need to move to cloud. Everyone has to move to cloud. Most of the application, or now, or even if you already it's going, so many migrations are going on. I have worked with so many migration where we are migrating on premises those monolithic application to your cloud and all. Okay, so that is 100% is going to happen. Okay, so you need to start preparing for that one. So there is a great future. Not a, being a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer is basically it's a way of working. It's a methodology. Okay, where you have been using some set of tools, but cloud is something when you will become a, like I would say, architect into this one, your career will be. So you no need to think about the money, Abhishek, that is waiting. See, money is again a byproduct. Okay, again I'll repeat one of the sentence when MS Dhoni was telling, okay, that even if he thinks that whether he will win the match or lose the match, right? So
Yeah.
ultimately he'll lose the match. So in one of the interview he told that, why you make yourself calm? Okay, why you make yourself so much calm in the match? So he said two things. I do practice a lot. Okay, practice means what? Ultimately what I am telling, process is important. See why I am telling you these things. For me, I believe in process so much. Okay, when you go with a process with a good pace, you will reach 100%, you are going to reach to a place. Okay, you know the story of a rabbit and that tortoise, right?
Yes,
It's a
sir.
very, we know it's a very childish story, but that is the truth. We always try to be like rabbit in our life. No, it's not the case. Okay, we should go very slowly, right? But with a focus. No, I have to take this, I have to take this till end. See, and in between things will be get added to your career. Obviously, you will grow yourself, right? So you should start with there. That is what. And at the end, like when Dhoni said at that time, why I just tell wanted to tell you, because so he said like, if I'll think about that, okay, I know, if you remember, there was a match Bangladesh and India, right? India won by 1 run or
Yes, sir.
something, right? So what was going on your mind? So he was thinking, no, nothing was going in my mind. I was just thinking that how to restrict them only if I can win by 1 run also. Whether to lose or win, it's a byproduct. So same way
Yes, sir.
life is all about, the output is a byproduct, input we can provide, right? So more and more input we can provide, we are going to reach to some place. Okay, that is 100% confirm. Okay, so again, I would say start with Linux. Okay, and then gradually soon I am going to upload. I have already there are videos where I have uploading Linux 3 sorry AWS 300 plus interview question and answer. That series also going to start soon, because I wanted to finish everything in the Linux. There should not be a thing which I will miss, and then I'll take all of my audience to the cloud, and then finally DevOps tool. This is the actual roadmap, so that you will be able, not only you will be able to survive in this IT industry, you will be able to grow yourself 3x. That is for sure. Okay, and money is byproduct, Abhishek. Okay, it's 100% you are going to get it. Okay, use this 2.9 years of experience, right? Basically for the current whichever company you are going. Okay, and you can go ahead with this one. But again, if you think, no, I am enough, I can do the Linux, so you can directly go to the cloud part also. Okay, so if you wanted to do the cloud course, okay, my live classes is going to start soon, but I am not going to suggest you, because your focus will shift again. Okay, I want you to strong your foundation first. So my suggestion is, Abhishek, you should start with this Linux only. First get a job. Okay, get a good understanding. Don't switch here and there immediately. Okay, and then your focus will shift to cloud, and then all the DevOps tool by default it will come to you. Don't worry about that one. Okay, so this is the suggestion. And now your question. Okay, what is your problem exactly? Apart from this, any other doubt or a problem you have?
यस सर, जब मैंने लिनक्स तो पढ़ा था सर, तो मैंने वहाँ पे 124 और 134 तो पढ़ा था सर। उसमें यूजर क्रिएशन, परमिशंस और ये जो एलवीएम का पार्ट था। सो सर, आई हैव अ गुड एक्सपोजर एंड अ गुड होल्ड ओवर द लिनक्स आल्सो, ओवर द आरएचएल 8। बट सर मैं अभी तो थोड़ा सा ब्रशअप करना बाकी है, बाकी
हम्म,
सर उस पे होल्ड है। बाकी अभी करंट में मेरे पास अज्योर का और एडब्ल्यूएस का सर 100 में 25 to 30% है होल्ड उस पे। तो मुझे सर क्या करना होगा कि मतलब अभी इमीडिएट मतलब 1 मंथ के अंदर में विद इन 1 मंथ मतलब मैं कैसे सर ये डोमेन चेंज कर सकता हूँ लिनक्स में या क्लाउड में? एक्चुअली सर मुझे एक क्वेश्चन और था आपसे कि क्या सर मैंने जो 12th के बाद डिप्लोमा किया हुआ 3 ईयर का,
हम्म।
तो क्या सर मुझे इसमें डिग्री या बीसीए या कुछ करने की और भी जरूरत है क्या, क्योंकि अभी मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है।
नो, देखो आपने जो डिप्लोमा किया था वो आईटी से किया था 3 इयर्स,
करेक्ट
करेक्ट?
सर, करेक्ट सर।
तो
करेक्ट।
आप मेरे कुछ वीडियोस में जाके देखना, उसमें मैंने क्लियरली बताया है कि नौकरी में क्या होता है ना, उसमें बस वो क्या खोजते हैं, दे आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर अ बीई, ओके, दे आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर अ बेसिकली फ्रॉम अ कंप्यूटर साइंस बैकग्राउंड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. In the job description only they are going to mention, okay, what qualification they need it, okay. Again I wanted to show you so that your doubt will be clear. Few of the job record DevSecOps, okay, Azure solution architect, right? This much. So they are offering me everything, Abhishek. Okay, it's not only
करेक्ट
that
सर।
they are restricting me only for why. So I made my profile like that, and this is why I'm telling you. When you will start with this one, just be in touch with me. I am available 24 into 7. I'm ready to guide you, and you will reach to some position. Okay, so if you see, if I'll click on this one, okay, and if I'll go down, you see at below it's written any graduate BTech B in computer, right? So like this it will be there. JD, just go and see that what all JDs are there. And if you go, just this is also a architect role, okay. Just see what is the JD. He see it's written any graduate, Abhishek, right? You see
करेक्ट सर।
there is a difference, right? For the, and this is LTI Mindtree, you know, this is very good company, okay. And
करेक्ट सर। करेक्ट।
recently few of my viewers and members also got selected in this company, okay, whoever has, right? So, and this is also this, right, it is a good company, Thapes Group, okay. So like this, the you take this one AVP role, okay. So in this one you see any graduate, right? Correct. So it totally, it's JD. We need to see the JD, Abhishek. Basically, according to that, right? Uh, it's nothing to do with your qualification and all. Okay. So don't worry about this one. Just take out the things from your mind that you have done a diploma. Okay. And because of that, you'll be not going to get any call or something like that. No, it's not like that. Okay. One more thing. You said like you have done some RHCSA, you were preparing for RHCSA exam. Okay. So if you wanted to continue that one, I would suggest please go ahead and continue that as well, because exam 200, and if you wanted to go, then go for the EX 200. Okay, you are talking about something else, 124 or something, right? Correct.
करेक्ट सर। It's a
So
book name, sir. Actually, I got from get from Jet King Institute provided the examinations book for 104 and 134. It's a EX2 administrator level in a Linux, so
mm,
RSCS something like that. And sir,
not required. Okay, there are only 19 questions are there, and if you are going,
hmm,
see, we need to give those exam from a Prometric center.
hmm,
You just connect with me offline, okay, after the call. I'll let you know, okay, which all, because as per the policies and all, I cannot tell you the institute
correct, sir.
name, and even you no need to take a training from there, okay. What you need to do is, it's only you need to practice. And Linux is, see, we need to learn something which is common across all the distributions, okay. That is important. And then finally for the certification, there are some set of questions will be there from every topic of Linux. Like you said, user and group administration, so they will ask you how to add a user and group, okay, how to bind a user, okay, those things will be there. How to extend a LVM from the LVM, so there will be one question. How to break your root password. So like this, there will be 19 questions will be there, Abhishek, okay. So that is mainly a lab practice. You need to be hands on, so much of hands on with the lab, then only you will be able to crack that exam. And it's not a multiple choice question. You need to properly uh, perform those operation during the exam. Okay, and then only you are going to pass that exam. And why I am telling you, if you wanted to do, so that will boost your confidence up to next level. So once you do something which is practical in the exam and you will qualify that
Yes, sir.
exam, right? So that is a different level, right? So you'll understand, no, how this is how it works. So you'll get a lot of confidence. That is 100% sure, Abhishek, right? So these things you go ahead, and I think any other doubt, Abhishek?
सर एक्चुअली मैं अभी सर सर्टिफिकेशंस या कुछ ऐसा मेरा फोकस फोकस है नहीं। तो
Okay,
आपने
okay.
जैसे मेरा सजेस्ट किया आपने कि मुझे लिनक्स और लिनक्स पे अभी लिनक्स सर्वर भी
Shell
जैसे हो गए,
scripting, shell scripting
सेल
plus.
स्क्रिप्टिंग,
Hmm,
हाँ सेल स्क्रिप्टिंग प्लस लिनक्स प्लस जो भी लिनक्स सर्वर्स हैं जैसे डीएनएस डीएचसीपी और ये
correct,
वेब सर्वर्स एंड
correct,
डीएनएस सर्वर्स आल्सो।
correct,
So after that I am looking forward for cloud also,
correct,
one cloud like
correct.
AWS. So sir
Good.
I get the job correct after completing
100.
these things?
See, only again you are thinking of the byproduct. Okay. So
No, no, sir.
first, so what I am telling Abhishek is, first you complete all these things. Just
Okay, sir.
connect with me for the mock interview. Let me take your mock interview, and then
Mm-hmm.
finally I will see your resume and all. You start searching job. Okay. So again, you will see in the last call also, I was telling the same thing to Swapna, that again practice matters. Opportunity will be coming from when and how. It's not in our hand, right, Abhishek? We can do our karma, right? That is what I know. Okay, we can do our work, that is in our hand. Okay, we don't
Correct,
know
sir.
that how it's going to be and from where it's going to be. Let that, leave it to him. Okay, my suggestion is just leave it to him 100%. And at least just do whatever you are doing on a daily basis and try to give some time, some kind of a meditation or something. My suggestion is that, because I can see by looking at you, okay, your focus is so much shifted. Okay, I can understand immediately by looking at. This is that reason I ask people to open, means that turn on their camera, and I can immediately tell them that, okay, no, somehow I have this one, but yes, you are very good candidate. Okay, but only problem with you, your focus is shifting. Okay, so you need to make sure your focus will be at one place. I've already told you. Now the next thing is that you need to start working on that one. Just don't, please don't think about that, that what I am, how much money I am going to get, Abhishek. Okay, first you focus on this one. Give mock interviews. Start, go for the, even when you go for an interview, that interview is done. Okay, you are, you, whether you are selected or not, you are rejected or not, that is not your journey. Your journey is just move on, move on, move on. I am ready for the next interview, I am ready for the next interview, and you'll see the result. 100% confirm.
Sir.
Okay, so I hope, Abhishek, I am able to resolve most of your queries today. Okay, any other
Okay, sir.
queries, any other doubt?
No, sir. And थैंक यू सो मच सर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये सारी चीजें क्लियर करने के लिए। और हाँ ये तो है सर कि मुझे मेडिटेट या ऐसी सारी चीजों की जरूरत है जो कि थोड़ा सा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी और थोड़ा सा माइंड
Correct.
ओपन हो। और मैं देख सकता हूँ सर आपको अभी मतलब अब बहुत ही मतलब ऐसा है नहीं कि आपका कुछ जर्नी है आपका भी, जैसे आपने बताया कि बहुत अच्छी है जर्नी, बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, देन आप यहाँ पे हो। लेकिन सर वो मतलब एकदम सारी चीजें ओपन है, बहुत ही मेरे जैसे
क्लियर हूँ,
फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं है। हाँ,
क्लियर हूँ
फ्रस्ट्रेशन में
चीजों।
नहीं है, क्लियर हूँ
हाँ,
चीजों को लेके। मैं सर 24/7 कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ सर, कुछ भी करने के लिए रेडी हूँ, हार्ड से हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए रेडी हूँ, सब कुछ छोड़ने के लिए रेडी हूँ। बट सर पॉइंट की ये है कि मुझे सही डायरेक्शन नहीं है। और ये सारी जैसे आपने बताया कि मॉक इंटरव्यू दो इसके बाद लिनक्स और एडब्ल्यूएस या क्लाउड के बाद, तो मैं सर विद इन 1 वीक आपको 110% आपको पिंग करता हूँ सर कि ये सारी चीजें हैं, आप मेरा
बिल्कुल।
मॉक इंटरव्यू लो। और उसके बाद में हाँ थोड़ा सा आप यहाँ पे मुझे एक डायरेक्शन दे दीजिए कि ये सारी चीजें हैं एक सिलेबस टाइप से, कि ये सारी चीजें लिनक्स पे पढ़ो, ये सारी चीजें क्लाउड में पढ़ो, देन आप मॉक के लिए प्रिपेयर हो जाओगे, आप मुझे मॉक इंटरव्यू दे देना। तो सर मैं उसके लिए भी बिल्कुल अवेलेबल हूँ। और मैं आपको अगले वीक में सैटरडे इवन नेक्स्ट सैटरडे और संडे आप जब भी फ्री हो सर, मैं आपसे कनेक्ट करके मॉक इंटरव्यू देने के लिए रेडी हूँ। और 100% मैं विद इन 1 वीक। सर एक्चुअल में प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना मेरे साथ कि अभी मेरे पास जॉब नहीं है पिछले 1 डेढ़ 2 महीनों से। तो सर किसी दिन तो मेरा ऐसा रहता है कि हो सकता है कि मेरा कहीं लिनक्स में या ऐसी थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ों को लेके हो जाता है। सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर पे मैं देता रहता हूँ इंटरव्यू। तो वो सर सर्वर पार्ट में चले जाते हैं। सर्वर पार्ट में मुझे सिर्फ सपोर्ट पे नॉलेज है सर।
हम्म।
और फिर उसमें भी नहीं होता है तो सर वहां से थोड़ा सा डिमोटिवेशन होता है। फिर मैं सोचता हूँ चलो ठीक है, फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं सपोर्ट में कैरियर। सर सर्विडेस्क का, डेस्कटॉप का वो इंटरव्यू हो जाता है। लेकिन सर जैसे ज्वाइन करने के लिए जाता हूँ फिर मैं बोलता हूँ कि चलो ठीक है 1 साल या अभी सर्वाइवल के लिए तो सही है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट क्या होगा। और सर वहाँ पे कोई आईजीपी या ऐसा कुछ नेक्स्ट वो भी नहीं मिलता है कि कोई ट्रेनिंग कुछ मिल जाए कि उसमें कुछ बढ़ जाए आगे। तो सर मेनली इसीलिए मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी। तो जॉब का भी सर हेडेक है, जॉब का भी प्रॉब्लम है।
One more
और
question, Abhishek. Sorry to
यस सर।
interrupt you. You are married,
नो सर।
you are bachelor, correct?
करेक्ट सर।
And you are staying with your family, your father, mother?
नो सर, एक्चुअली आई एम स्टेइंग हियर इन पीजी इन नोएडा
Okay, okay,
विथ माय
okay,
ब्रदर्स।
okay, good. So one thing, just think of it again. I'll give you my example. In between, like I left my job, okay, I lose my job. My son was at that time 6 months old.
सर।
But you are motivation of yourself, okay? Just think of it, okay? And I know that I can get a job, okay? So it's totally up to us how we take things forward, okay? It's inside us, okay? We only need to just make sure that things will come out from us, okay? Why you are so demotivated? Why you will not get selected? What will happen, Abhishek? Whether you will not get food, whether you will not get anything, it's only your mindset. We need to
करेक्ट सर।
defeat this thing. That is what I have seen. It's telling no. What's wrong? No, do you really think that I got those 100 plus interview question and answer? Not only in this, plus DevOps is also there, plus by only selected in all those companies. So I know the pain of rejection, but that pain is good. If you will not fail, 100% you cannot walk. That is the truth, right? Correct, Abhishek? So the
करेक्ट सर।
thing is that we demotivation is nothing. Abhishek, why we get demotivated? Because others get selected, right?
यस
No.
सर।
So it's not like that. So the thing is that when I walk 200 meter today, so I'm thinking that how I'll walk 400 tomorrow. That is the main my thinking is that, okay? I don't think that others can walk 1000. And that is their capability, that is their potential, correct? What I can do, I know, right? So stop looking at others, stop looking at the byproducts, focus especially for next 2 to 3 months. I am telling you, you are already ready, okay? You just need to focus for only 1 month and you'll see the result. What I have told you, please go ahead and do it. Did I am asking you, Abhishek, pay me this much and that much? No. Am I expecting
करेक्ट
anything
सर।
from you? Why I'm telling you all these things? Okay, because I know once you go through that one, you will only come to and tell, oh, sir, I got the job. Okay, and one more thing, once you get the job, please work there at least 1 to 2 years. Okay, and during that period, we need to do the learning. This is how we can grow. There is no other way.
अच्छा।
You'll get the output, Abhishek. Don't worry. Only thing is just focus for 1 month. What I have said and the servers and everything I have explained. You can go through that one. You will come to know so many things. You have to be practice. Okay. I would say for next continuous, like every day, just try to give 3 hours, 4 hours for practicing and all. Okay. That's it. No, you no need to listen to anyone. No need to hear from anyone. You just eat your food, you do your every day, you practice, you learn, okay, and follow the process. Process is important. Process is what? Process is what? Means suppose morning you will wake up at 8 a.m. Okay, and then you will do all of your work and you will sleep at 9 p.m. in the night or 10 p.m. or 11 in between. So we should not. So we are following a process. Everybody is following a process in his life. Okay, according to me. And if we follow a process, we'll reach to a position. 100% will lead to our destination. Okay? So that thing you need to repeat again and again and again. Then only 100% things will be in your favor. Correct.
Correct,
So
sir.
do this one, 100% you will get the output. Okay. For 1 month, you should continue with this one. Okay.
Okay.
And whenever this mind will tell you, no, you have to go, no, you have to learn Azure. No. See again, my focus shift to Azure, my focus shift to DevOps, because my focus shift to here. And why I told you, I could have told you directly, you go and learn Azure, but no, because when you explained me something, I have listened to you carefully. So I understand there is something which you have done so much already in the desktop support. So that is going to help you immediately in the Linux administration plus automation, that is shell scripting. Okay. And you should get a job. So your mind will be first stable. And after that, you can excel. This is the main, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abhishek, anything else I can help you with? Because I have another call 3 p.m. I have to
No,
take one mock interview. Okay,
नो थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड मैं सर लिनक्स पढ़ना स्टार्ट करता हूँ
बिल्कुल
और बाकी
बिल्कुल
आपसे
बिल्कुल।
कनेक्ट करता हूँ।
100% मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड रहिए। मैं हर एक लोगों को गाइड करने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
यस सर।
ओके। यही मेरा मेन एम है। ठीक है। सो यू शुड नॉट डेविएट फ्रॉम योर पाथ। ओके।
यस सर।
श्योर अभिषेक, जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, योर लव्ड वन, राइट? टिल देन, बाय बाय एंड
यस
जय
सर।
हिंद।
जय हिंद सर।